Okay, we got 3 controllers, 2 Ninco and 1 Carrera. This Ninco is very similar. You can see where the wires go. One end, and then to the ground, and the ground comes into this green one here or whatever. It's a 3-wire system, similar to the Parma. This is the Ninco Vario 16. Vario, and it's similar 3-wire plug. Looks like got a blue, white, and a green, and that one turns into one of these at the end. Now we got the Carrera. This is an exclusive Carrera. It's got a 3-plug too. That's black, red, and blue, and that is for this type of plug. And what I'm trying to do is I want to swap this Carrera with this Ninco one, and then use it on my Carrera track. I just gonna swap the other ones. The other Ninco one is this kind of plug right here. And that's for this one here. So this is a similar design to Parma. I'm not sure what the ohms are for any 3 of these. That's how the Carrera mechanism looks. That's how the Ninco Vario system looks, and that's how the Ninco regular system looks. Apparently, the thicker the resistor, the better it is. This one looks barely used. This one looks not used really at all, and this one I can't tell because it's encased in a housing. But that's 3 controllers, the insides of them, and this Ninco here is similar to how the Parma and some other ones will look. And this one probably is similar to how a lot of other digital ones would look. And this is similar to Carrera.